Today we present a vintage classic from Omega. We have a beautiful marbled black dial that is aged with plenty of character, all done in a rose gold case. The dial features rose gold applied markers and a large sub-seconds counter down at the 6th position, and features bronze-colored sword-style hands. For its age, the watch is in great condition, and there's something definitely unique about a watch in a rose gold case with a black dial. On the sides, the watch features plenty of grooves, and on top we have the Arslan crystal rising above the case. All done with teardrop style lugs. In the outdoors, the dial gleams with detail. On the back, we have a snap-on caseback with no engravings. Powering this watch, we have the Omega Caliber 491 self-winding movement. The timekeeping of the watch is impeccable so far, and a testament to Omega's quality in the late 50s and 60s. What's to love about this watch is the rich details from the colors to the aging of the dial. In certain lighting, it takes on a more subtle look. Proportion-wise, it's the perfect vintage watch. The watch screams vintage, from the shape of the lugs to the style of the dial with the sub-seconds counter, and the old school style Omega logo at the 12th position. It's vintage classics such as this that make watch collecting so enjoyable. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe if you haven't, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.